So we are coming with a force, yeah. Blessings they are reap and we coursing on full. Oh, in the rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks that we need it the most. We have to give thanks that we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings are coming like one. But thank God for the journey, success for the past.
Baby, prenons le temps avant de s'engager.
Guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Angel Hope, you're already new. Paula, what are you doing behind me? I'm vlogging because I'm late for class. I should not vlog. Please, just let sure I should wait. I'm coming. I'm going to vlog. So today I'm going to be doing like a day in my life kind of video, and this is where my day is starting from. It is almost 12 o'clock. There's a lecturer in my class as I speak, but I'm already late. Don't need to start rushing. Anytime I get to school, I'll get there. So I'm just like scouting for what to wear right now. I'm putting my things in place. I'm going to leave, you know, in the next couple of minutes. So I'm just going to carry you guys along. I want this vlog to give this aesthetic vibe. So I just came here to open the vlog. I won't be talking again till the end of the vlog. Just watch. Yeah. Peace. Hope you're having a great day. Love you. Go ahead. I'm sorry, I have to chip in here, you guys. Everybody's leaving me. Like,
don't cut that thing.
Which thing?
No cutting.
No, I won't cut you. You want to show. You want to enter YouTube. You enter YouTube.
Subscribe to
Yes, what she said. Please subscribe. Everybody's waiting for me like I'm late. And it's because I decided to just film what I do this morning. Anyways, the last thing on my list was my perfume. I wanted to pack my hair up, but there's literally no time to do that. So I'm ready. Let me just get my bag. Today I'm repping the brand. I'm using this bag to school today. I just want to put in my lip gloss, my power bank, my cord, and I haven't put in my cord. Okay, my cords are in my power bank. Thanks. I love my earrings, my cord, and I'll show you guys my full fit. Definitely, this is the lip gloss. I mean, I want to use take out just in case this one on my lip runs out. So now I'm ready. I can calm down. I know my clothes is ripped here, but I saw it last minute and okay. Bola is coming. People should stay face. Stay face. They shout for me, stay face. Let's go, you guys.
Here, guys, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. After you do that of angels, I'm a PE. Poor.
Well, we say it's expensive. Another name for it is free system. Or you can call it avenging system.
Extensive.
Free means that the animals are free to roam about. Scavenging system means they move about whatever they can see. So in the process,
Yes, my man. My man. Bring your face here. Put your face here. My man. This child will still use me to sleep. Okay, which drink is available? Any new flavor for this chivita? I don't even know what to want. I remember it's not. I really do not even know what to buy. Like, I've just been in this shop for the past 10 to 15 minutes and I can't decide. Like, I don't know what to eat. I'm like, okay, should I get golden morn or I should get cornflakes? Like, I don't even know what to eat. What should I buy? Okay, we initially wanted to cook yam today. Yam. But the yam, you guys already heard that yam is so expensive. So we then said we'll get cooked soup to eat. We didn't find meat to buy, so right now everybody's just finding their belly. People are buying noodles, some people are buying bread. I don't want to eat bread. I wanted to buy gala and fanta. Like, that's literally my go-to snack whenever I'm hungry. But I'm like, let me just try something else. Why are you staring at me?
Yeah, we give thanks like we need it the most.